To YouTube, search for this keyword, sign up to this tool, and come back to the YouTube and watch these free videos to get paid. Now you guys have to admit you watch YouTube videos every single day. I do it as well. But here's the thing, I have found one way where you can watch free online videos every single day to get money over and over again. You can earn up to $800 in a single day. Okay, you just have to stay until the end of the video to follow the process along. And let me tell you, this strategy which I am going to tell you, it works everywhere, every part of the world, wherever you live, and they have very simple payment option. Like they pay through PayPal, Pioneer, Bitcoin. So you just don't have to worry about the payment. Okay, before I jump into the video, if you are watching my channel first time, you just make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss my upcoming video. I just request you guys to stay until the end of the video to follow the process which I am going to tell you one by one, and in order to get maximize maximum results, so that you can make a lot of money. Okay, without further delay, let's jump into the video. So the first step which you have to do, you just have to go to the YouTube. Okay, now there are famous games like Fortnite, GTA 5, Counter-Strike, which is really trending in the YouTube, and people, they just love to get the news about these kind of games, the articles, the new updates. So what we can do, we just have to search one game, let's say like GTA 5. Okay, as you can see over here, this guy has posted a video 4 days ago and it has 11 million views. So since I was telling you, there's a lot of trend about GTA 5 and this sort of games, and you will find this sort of videos on internet, and it's a free videos. It's a very simple strategy which you have to implement. Okay, now the second step which you're gonna do is you just have to come to the website which is called shrinkme.io. Okay, basically what this website is all about, it's like shorten the link, okay, which we are going to grab it from the YouTube. So the reason why we are using this website, it has minimum payout of $5. Okay, so it is just low minimum payout. You can easily get it through PayPal, as I explained you before, Bitcoin, web money, Paytm, UPI, ATM. So very simple payment process over here. Okay, so now let me tell you, if you have 10,000 views, you're gonna make $220. If there are like 1,000 views, you're gonna make $22. And if there are 100 views, you're gonna make $2.20. Okay, and let me tell you some of the payment proof which they are paying to the users over here. The people are earning a lot of money, tons of money, by just simply using this strategy, which I am going to show you in a little while. Okay, the next step which you have to do it, you'll have to come to the website called forms.pcgamer.com. The reason why we are using this website, because you can see a lot of articles over here about the game, about the other stuff, see, which I told you, GTA 6, okay, GTA 5. So you can read the articles, and this website has monthly 20 million viewers, they are coming on this website, okay, and they're reading the article. So that once you're gonna post the article and your link, they will definitely gonna open it. So through that you will be making a lot of money. Okay, now let's go back to the YouTube, which I have showed you earlier. Okay, let's open this video. Okay, so this is the video which you have to watch until the end, and you will have to watch maximum videos which you can do it. Just watch it till the end. Okay, now what you have to do, you just have to grab a link from here. Okay, it is pretty simple. Just click it over here, copy the link. Okay, go to this website which I've told you, shrinkme.io. What you guys have to do, you just have to register it. Okay, and put your first name, last name, email address, and then it is gonna take you to the main page, which is this page. I'm gonna show you in a little while. Okay, so just go to the dashboard. So it is going to be this sort of page, okay, where you can see your total earnings, total views. Okay, so the link which we have copied it, we'll just have to paste it over here. Okay, and then you'll have to get your shortener link. So here we go, we got our shortener link. Just copy it from here. Okay, so the next thing you guys need to do it, you just have to write an article. And how you can get an article, it is very simple. I'm gonna give you one more tip about the article. So just go to Google. Okay, write it over here, GTA 5 news. So you'll be having a lot of articles, a lot of news about GTA 5. Okay, so just you're gonna click one of this. Okay, and then it is gonna take you the page over here. Okay, so once you're gonna click, it is going to take you the page where you can see the article about GTA 5, the new updates and the news. Okay, it is pretty simple. Just copy one of the article from here. What is the update? Copy it, and then you need to paste it in Google Docs. Okay, over here, just paste it over here, which I have already pasted over here. It is pretty simple. And the link which we have copied, let's go back to the shortener link which we have copied from the dashboard. Just copy it again from here. Okay, and go to the Google Doc, just put it over here. So this is the link, and you can do it as much as you want. You can watch a couple of videos, and you can just copy the URL. Okay, and you can paste it in shrinkme.io, and then you can just go back to the PC Gamer. Okay, and you can just post it over here, GTA 5. So there is a lot of articles about GTA 5. Once you're gonna put it over here, people are definitely going to read the article. Since I've told you, I have showed you the YouTube videos. The guy has just posted 4 hours ago, and he has got a lot of views on that specific YouTube videos. So it is very simple strategy, very very simple. It is very easy to do. You don't have to do any investment. It's just a simple work and effort required, and you can do it over and over again. I hope you guys get some value of this video, and if you got the value of this video, make sure you share it with your friends. You just follow the process which I have told you, and definitely it is going to help you to make money over and over again. At the last, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. It gives me a lot of motivation. Just turn on the notification bell so you won't miss my upcoming video. As always, goodbye for now, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.